Hi, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic, and I wanted to show you my new glue gun. This is the Bosch brand, which as we know is a really good tool brand. And look at it, it's just like a pen. It's amazing. I've got links down below. It is an affiliate link, an Amazon affiliate link. Not tried it yet, but I wanted to just quickly show you what was in the box. I am making lots of Halloween flowers, so we'll make a couple of these together just to see how good it is. I like the fact that it's got a quite small nib on the end, and these are the bits of glue sticks that you get with it. Now normally they're not this small obviously, but that's fine. You'll be able to cut down a normal glue stick, I think. So it's just got a bit of a selection of different ones in here. Got some instructions. Look how thick this book is with all the languages. Not looked at that yet, but I'll give you a quick look at the box. So you can see here, this is what comes with it. So 5 of the glitter, 7 of the colour and 8 transparent. It does also come with a charger, so I have already charged the rechargeable batteries. That was a bonus. Didn't realise that when I bought it. And it's just chargeable with a USB, so I have had this plugged into my Cricut, which is fantastic. So let me get these out and we will see how quickly it warms up. Let's get the batteries in first. Because one of the things I really hate about using my glue gun is the wire. And I have had it probably about 15 years, if not more. It's a very old one. Right, and this looks like it's the on and off button at the back. So don't think there's a light coming on with that, but we'll wait and see. And let's get one of these transparent glues. Now, I don't know if you can see on camera, but there's like a little holder where you put the glue stick. Can you see now where that fits in? Let me put a coloured one in. Might stand out a bit better just to show you. So it fits perfect in that. These are just shy of an inch. So now I turn that on, we have got green flashing light, so I presume that's while it's warming up. And of course I'm on my glass mat, so I'm not too worried about the heat for this. So I imagine you'd go through these pretty quick because they're so small, but I don't do a heap of glue gunning all in one hit. It's normally lots of little things. And I think this is going to be so much handier for me. Oops, it's already coming out, did you see that? I think it's going to be so much handier for me. Let me just get some scrap paper. Because of that, rather than plugging it in. So that heated up probably within less than a minute, didn't it? So let's do one of our rolled flowers. Maybe black is not the best colour to practice with. Let's get a nice purple. And let's get rolling. I've recently got into quilling, and the quilling tools like this are perfect. The rolled flowers are a big hit in the Cricut community. They make great displays. There you go, that's soon come out. And what I love about these is you can spread them out to be as big as you want, and we've got that base there that we're going to hot glue as well. You see how my glue is nicely popping out. And then stick it down. Oh, and that's my first flower done. Let's do another quick one, a small one for you. So if you've not come across roll flowers before, I'm going to put a link down below to Creative Fabrica. I am an affiliate for it, and that's where I found this gorgeous roll flower bundle. There was probably, I don't know, easily 30 different flower designs. I've just picked some of my favourites. And I do have a special landing page for any of my subscribers or followers where you can get a month for $1. So check that out, because once you've downloaded them, you can keep them forever. You don't lose them when you cancel your subscription. So definitely worth it for the bundles. Okay, now that's my second one. I'm just going to let it uncurl a little by itself. And then, there we go. Just press that down till it all sticks. There you go, as easy as that. Now this is quite hot at the end, just like all the glue guns, but I'm absolutely loving this so far. So if you're on the lookout for a new glue gun, check this out. I highly recommend it. If you've got any questions, please leave me some comments down below as well, and I'll check and I'll answer them as best that I can. So that's my very quick video for today. A little product review, just attempt at using it. Absolutely love it. So let's see how it performs now gluing down all of these flowers. So I've made them all off camera. There's about 30 of them, and you can see I'm using just a piece of paper, one of the sheets from this Simple Stories paper pad. I'm positioning them all where I want them before I start to glue, and I'm just sticking them all down on a black 12 by 12 sheet. So this is going to be a little sign for me for Halloween, and if you're watching the day this was published, it is Halloween today. So I was a little bit late posting this. So you can see I've got this on fast forward just because I thought it would be a long video if you watched me do all of them, but I had no problems whatsoever. I thought it was nice and quick and easy. It's nice to hold. You can see the position that I've got, probably because I'm left-handed, makes it look a little bit more strange. But that is it. It's super quick to make this layout. I absolutely love using row flowers. So easy and quick to do. I finish off this layout just spraying with some Kaiser mist, just to give it a little bit of shine and glimmer. But that is my layout done. So if you've got any questions about the glue pen itself, please leave them down below. I always answer them. But other than that, have a great crafting week. Thanks for watching.